Yeah, welcome back to my second part video after Poppies Line 1. Now I'm taking you exploring by cycling to explore Poppies Line 2. How is the current situation on 2026? Today I'm cycling on 27 March 2026. Like you see, the traffic is a bit slow because Kuta Beach it's always every day. It's because number one, it's because this is the only one way that we can reach to Kuta Beach, and also at this time 4 plus, I think 4:30 right now, is nearly the sunset. A lot of tourists, local tourists or foreigner, they will come here to catch the sunset. Alright, our right side is the Poppies Line 1. Now further up I will through the Poppies Line 2, so you can see the real atmosphere and the real situation from my camera. How is Poppies Line 2 looks like right now today, especially on 2026. Alright, now is Poppies Line 2, like this. Yeah. Yeah, here is the real atmosphere, real situation on 2026, 27 March. Still a lot of shops, local shops. On our left side is selling Balinese product. So I'm recording on stereo voice, so you can hear, so you can listening the real situation, the real sound, the vibrant in Bali right now. Yeah, what's this building? Oh, it's abandoned. I'm not sure what is this. This looks like a big hotel last time. Oh, now kaput, gone. Look. Yeah. But if comparing Poppies Line 1 and Poppies Line 2, Poppies Line 2 is more busy. More busy, more tourists, more things to explore. Even actually, both of the Poppies Line 1 and Poppies Line 2, both are famous since long time ago for the backpacker tourists actually. Now it's 4:30 p.m. Right, so I'm cycling a bit slower so you can more enjoy. Grand Barong Resort here outside. So in the end of the street, even Poppies Line 1 or Poppies Line 2 will be end on the central of Legian. It's called Ground Zero in Legian, Kuta Bali. I see lots of tourists from Australia. I know them from Australia because I have lots of customers from Australia as well. So I know what they looks like, even without talking. right side. A bit slow because in front of us is main road of Legian Street that normally at this time a bit traffic, a bit slow. Okay, so now I'm in here of Poppies Lane II actually. In front of us is already main road of Legian Street. It's called Sky Garden. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching my video. Now I'm on my way to the main Legian Street from north side, and I will make a video for you to show you how is the real situation on 2026, focusing on one big pub. It's called Poppies Pub. Long time ago, Poppies Pub is become very famous and the most popular pub in Legian Street long time ago. But after COVID-19, it has changed. Now, how is Poppies Pub look like? You can see the video on my next video. Thank you for now. See you. Bye bye.